Can you feel the love tonight? I'm just kidding. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time for Battle of the Boxes February edition, and it's Sephora Play versus Ipsy. Welcome to Shelly Saves a Day. On my channel, I do videos around life hacks, tech tips, and beauty videos. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing. All right, you guys. February is coming to a close, which means it is Battle of the Boxes time. I'm so excited. You guys, are you ready? Let's just dive right in. This is Feel the Love, which, come on, it's February, right? Let me know down in the comment section, what was your Valentine's Day plans? What did you do? Did you hang out with your gals? Did you go out with your man, your woman, whatever? Let me know in the comment section, okay? So, all right, so the first thing in here, oh, we have a perfume again. All right, this is gonna be from Atelier Cologne. I love their perfumes. In fact, I'm wearing their perfume right now. I'm wearing Clementine, California. This is vanilla. Oh, okay, so it's basically vanilla. I know I love vanilla, so I don't even need to open it right now because you guys know how much I suck at describing scents, but oh, you know what? It's actually not as vanilla as I thought it was going to be, but it still smells good, so I am still pleased. I'm glad to see that they have the perfume samples back. And as always, if you guys didn't know, Sephora Play and Ipsy, they're both $10 a month. One nice thing with the Sephora Play is you're going to get a card like this, which is worth 50 points if you go into their store and make a purchase, which is awesome. I always forget to redeem mine, but at least for everyone else, you guys can do it, right? All right, so the next thing in here, I'm going to reach in and pull out a skincare product from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Firm X Peeling Gel Exfoliant. So I know that their stuff is pretty expensive. This is a pretty good size too. It's 15 milliliters or half a fluid ounce. Awesome. Excited to try that out. The next thing as I reach in here, this is from NARS. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. You know, I have to say personally that I really like a lot of the NARS products, but I don't buy a lot of them anymore because they aren't cruelty free, and that's still really important to me. But you know, I'm certainly not going to be upset right now that they're in my beauty box. I don't know if that's hypocritical. Oh wow, look at you. It's like a really pretty vibrant pink color. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I might have to put that on like pretty soon. And this is in the color Let's Go Crazy. I love this. Okay, I'm excited for that one. The next item in here, this is the Belief, and this is the moisturizing eye balm. So you know how this was going to be 15 milliliters? This is 1/3 of the size, so 5 milliliters. One thing I hate about these samples when you get them, I know maybe this is just me being petty, maybe you can see this though. If you zoom in on this, you see how hollow it is inside? So you actually get very, very little. This whole package is super deceiving. I don't like when they do that. It's just like, come on, just be honest about it and put it in a smaller container, right? So this is the eye balm. So I am excited to try this one out because I do like their stuff and I do like how it smells. Yeah, it has kind of that same smell, so I'm excited to try that out. The next item that's in here, this is from Sephora. This is the Rouge Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color. Let's find out. Ooh, it's a pretty like cranberry though. It goes really well with that lip pencil kind of crayon from NARS. It's the one on top there, so it's kind of a deep cranberry red. So that color is Rebel Chic M11. I don't know why they have their numbering system like that, but so you know, that's what the color is. The very last thing in here is from Laura Mercier, and this is the Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color. I have gotten this before. I know this is a repeat offender. I've gotten it several times actually. I'm trying to brute force my way into it. It's just not working. Peel here. Fine. Whatever. You win this time. You win this round. See that one on the top there? They make it really easy. You just kind of like swipe that on. This is one of those really easy, you know, swipe on the lid and kind of use your fingers, pat out. You're good. All over the lid. These are really beautiful and they have these in several colors. Although I feel like we've gotten this exact same color before, but it's still good. All right, so that's everything in Sephora Play this month. Now we're going to move on over to Ipsy. The first thing they got was actually outside of the bag because it didn't fit inside the bag, but we got 2 of the 5-minute facial mask, and this is from BioBell, and this one is really cool because this one is supposed to be a primer as well, so you can do your face skincare and then be ready for your makeup. How cool is that? And they gave you 2 of them, so I'm super duper excited about these because sometimes, I don't know, you guys know this, right? But sometimes before I put on a lot of makeup, if I'm going out for a big event, I will actually put on a mask for like 15 minutes beforehand, and then all my makeup on top goes on to super moisturized, like soft face. So I love that. So I'm really excited to try this out, and they got 2 of them. So thank you, Ipsy, for that guy. The next thing in here, how cute is this bag? It's got this little like lace overlay like this. You could totally use this as like a little night clutch if you wanted to go out with this. So cute. Okay. So the first thing I see when I reach in here is going to be the Pacifica Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadow. This is also available at Ulta. Oh, look at this. So it's kind of, you know, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a cheap plastic packaging like this with a clear lid, but you know what? It's actually, oh my gosh. So does this not remind you like when you went back in like high school or middle school when you were first getting into makeup, those CoverGirl like eyeshadow quads that you would get, and they would come with these little like, I don't know, Q-tip looking things that you end up throwing away. Anyways, that notwithstanding, this is a really pretty one, and it's got like golds, it's got purples, it's got some brown. You know what? The fact that they've given you, what is that, 5 colors in here, that is really neat. I like that a lot. Okay, so the next item in here is going to be the Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. I know that IBY Beauty has given us some products before. I believe it was a contour palette, so I remember seeing them before. Oh, you know, the packaging reminds me of like the Becca when you get the little $20 Sephora kit one, you know, with the 2 colors in the liquid and the, yeah, it looks exactly like that, except it doesn't have a mirror inside. But the color is just, it just says 24 Karat Magic, and this is a really pretty color. I like this one a lot. So it's like a nice champagne-y gold color. It's really pretty, actually. All right, so the next thing that's in here, ooh, yes, we got a brush. Okay, this is from Luxie. It's a double-ended brush. If you just watched my product empties video, you know that I love Luxie brushes. I had a horrible experience with a brush that I got in a BoxyCharm. And this is nice because it's double-ended, so it's like maybe making up for it. But it's the $2.49, so it's got like a tapered edge on this side. It's nice and flat, maybe getting in that crease area. And then a little bit more pointed of a brush on this side, which is really cool. Excited for that. Those are always such lifesavers when you're packing up to go travel, because you can have twice as many brushes with half the amount of size packed. Love that. Okay, the last thing in here is the Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint, and this is in the color Tehran. All right, and I'm just going to put this on here real quick at the bottom. Oh, it's really pretty on the bottom. Ooh, check that out. So that is everything that came in Ipsy this month as well. You guys let me know down in the comments which one you think won. Was it Ipsy? Was it Sephora Play? I have to say this month that Ipsy. Ipsy this month is the winner, but they were both really good. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comment section. As always, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you be part of the Shelly squad. I hope you guys are doing so awesome. I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye guys!